Hey, welcome to the show. If you want to know how to do a video recorder on your Galaxy S20 Ultra phone, it's like a screenshot, but you're taking videos. I'm going to show you how to do it. So, for example, Messenger has some cool effects that when you do a selfie, that you can show your face. And right now we're taking a look at the Star Wars one, and I would love to record that. So let's show you how to do that here. What you want to do is you want to slide this down right here. And you're going to go over to Screen Recorder right here. And you're going to click on that. And it says, allow Samsung Capture to record audio. Yes. And then it says sound settings, media sounds, and mic. You decide on that. Right now I'm just going to go with the media sounds. Okay. And then start recording. And it says 3, 2, 1. And so now I'm going to go back to Messenger here. And I'm going to get my little Luke Skywalker recording. So you can see when you are recording, there's going to be a very light access window right here, and you can hit the stop button when you're done recording. So let's hit the stop button right now. And now we're going to go to the gallery and take a look at our video. And play video. Allow. Hey, this is a really cool way to do a video capture. It's like screen capture and get those cool effects that they offer in Messenger or some other applications. I hope you have a good day. Make sure you check out our other tricks and tips on the S20 phone and have a fun day. Adios.
Bye-bye.
May the force be with you.